इंटरनेशनल स्पीकर्स। बोलू बच्चे, सुनने के लिए तैयार है ना? ओके, थैंक यू. So I will be mixing a little bit Hindi, maybe you missing both of you my Hindi things. Okay, let me begin with little observation with alums, like you cited 2-3 times India's things. So are you from India or non-India? Okay, fine. So India is a country, suppose you speak this kind of examples in other countries, you can corroborate some of my observations in your lecture. India is a mini world, first of all. After China, probably, populations, very soon we are competing with China, at least with population. And by education in the world, after China, we are having the largest number of universities. And everybody wants to do PhD. This is the point to be noted. We don't stop at the primary or secondary level. We the moment we enter into primary schools, we will finish up at PhD. So that means obviously when number of people do PhD, obviously they will be publishing, they see larger platforms, so predatory journals kind of things. Let us not criticize India's position, it's a kind of rational things. But in Europe countries, if you compare like Madam's country, Sweden and other Finland, even a country is not geographically not like with our Haryana or a district of Jhajjar or compared to. So let us, let us don't compare with India in any way. When 100 people are doing PhD, obviously 2-3 things will be there, predatory or plagiarism. Anyway, so mine was, most of the students are masters and PhD students. Okay, so my lecture will be a very classroom oriented. If you look at the title, it was plagiarism basics. It is a topic, it doesn't have a beginning and doesn't have an end even. Anybody can speak of anything on plagiarism. Really, I'm telling you. So little work I did. I did a MPhil course in the University of Delhi, then PhD, similar copyright IPR issues, as well as a postdoctoral course, project in famous Indian Institute of Advanced Studies, Simla. Okay, that was my background. So little experience I have. I have conducted hundreds of workshops regarding this. So let us make it because Dr. Malik, how much you allow? So no, I am very, because I am Indian, very much particular to timing. Half an hour? 40 minutes. So let me just check. So Madam Pinky, you remind me when it is 35 minutes, I will wind up my things. Okay. So, friends, the moment you are in academics, so we read and write, there are two things. So it is a classroom approach. Especially if you listen me carefully, probably it is enough to understand what plagiarism is. In Hindi we call it sahityik chori, okay? In India, especially, ये सारे रोड़ा प्लेजरिज्म का है. होता क्या है, बच्चा क्या कहते, सर मैं घर में खुश था, शादी हो नहीं रही थी, पिताजी भेजते जा PhD कर ले. So this case will be there also. UGC, there is a big office in Delhi, so it formulates the rules. Now it is 10% plagiarism is acceptable. Earlier it was 25% probably. So now our university is a great university. As I told you in the morning, it is A+ university. So we 100% abide by the UGC rules. Dr. Malik is the signatory authority before submission of PhD thesis. Unless and until in a software checking, if your thesis is not qualified 10%, you never give signature. Okay. So it is good thing for us. प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, मैं आपको एक बार खास तौर पर हमारे जो मास्टर्स स्टूडेंट से ध्यान रखें. ये जो पढ़ाई लिखाई दुनिया में अगर आप रहेंगे, दो चीज करेंगे, ठीक है, मेरे हिसाब से. एक तो पढ़ेंगे, रीडिंग, unless you read you cannot write. So you read as many words. Unless we read, we cannot write. But maybe there are prodigies, very कहते हैं कबीरा, कुछ पढ़ा लिखा था नहीं, बहुत कुछ लिख दिया. ठीक है? So you read and read. The moment you start writing, you writing on a theme, a story or a content, we call it idea. Technically we call it idea. एक आइडिया पर होता है. आइडिया को एक एग्जांपल देते हैं. मैंने जैसे कहा ये क्लासरूम ओरिएंटेड होगा. You know, look at Ramayana. So idea is that Ravan was kidnapping Sita with a Pushpak van, what we call it modern flights. So this was the idea. And Ramayana was written in a, जब लिखने की बारी आती है, we call it a language. You write in English, French, German, or any Hindi, or any regional Punjabi, Odia, or Bengali. So anything we express rather, not writing. कहाँ plagiarism होती है? When you start expressing something, expressing could be writing, लिखने से होती है, बोलने से होती है, ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग. 3 forms. So हम एक ही फॉर्म पर कंसंट्रेट करते हैं, that is writing part. Okay. The moment I start writing, मैं क्या लिखूं? Either completely एकदम से प्योर ओरिजिनल, जो जिन्होंने कभी किसी ने लिखा नहीं, जो कभी ये होता नहीं. In academics, whatever we write is doesn't mean that nobody has written that. Nobody has done research on that. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. And एक मीथ है. मैंने कभी बच्चे आते हैं हमारे पास, आपको भी जरूरत पड़े कभी कुछ बातें पूछने की, 11 बजे मेरे डिपार्टमेंट आ जाइए और ग्रीन टी के साथ आपसे बातें करेंगे, ग्रीन टी पिलाएंगे और आपको जो भी प्लेजरिज्म, साइटेशन, सारी चीजें बीच में सिखाएंगे. ओके. When you write something, we take the help of language. What is language again? इंग्लिश के बच्चे बैठे होंगे या लिटरेचर के बच्चे बैठे होंगे. What is language? Language को अगर simplest definition हम बताए, language is nothing. A set of chosen words. Set up in a particular sequence. So whenever you write, suppose I am speaking here and आप सभी जो 400-500 बच्चे बैठे हुए हैं, सबको अगर कहा जाए आज की व्हाट्सएप के पर एक पेज लिखे, सबका डिफरेंट होगा. Choosing words are different because vocabulary are not uniform. Whatever you know, my vocabulary will be different from yours, and yours will be. And second is that choosing vocabulary and putting those words in a particular sequence. What the literature people call it semantics and syntax. Putting the words and getting meaning out of it. So plagiarism शुरू होती है जब अगर कोई चीज आप लिखने जा रहे हो, एक सेंटेंस का मदद आप लेंगे, गलती से या जानबूझ के ये सेंटेंस किसी ने और लेख रखा है, पहले किसी ने लेख रखा है, then the problem of plagiarism comes here. Suppose example, आप सुने होंगे किसी ने लिखा, बाद में उसको एक गाना में बदल दिया गया, बहुत पुराने गाना, झुमका गिरा रे बरेली की बाजार में. तो प्लेजरिज्म कहां से होती है? It has already been written in all subjects, में भी बायोफिजिक्स में भी, फिजिक्स में भी, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, सभी ने कुछ लेख रखे. आप भी लिख सकते हो. But the moment you write your sentences, choosing words and putting those words in a particular sequence, if it matches with someone else, then here it comes the problem of plagiarism. आपने चोरी की है. कभी ऐसा भी होता है, my sentence structures might match with someone's, but वो sentence किसी के साथ match करता है. Is it okay with my Hindi? Is it okay with my Hindi? Good, very good. So, suppose you want to write something, you cannot write झुमका गिरा रे बरेली के बाजार में and claiming it is yours. You cannot say that. So avoid those, rather avoid. Suppose you have to write something taking the words झुमका वो भी गिराओगे आप। अगर गिराना है तो बरेली की बाजार में ना गिराना, रील के लिए आप। वेरी सिंपल। प्लेजरिज्म ओरिजिनल के साथ कितने मैच करता है वहीं से शुरू होती है। बट वी कैन राइट, आई कैन राइट ए सेंटेंस और ए पोएम और वट एवर टेकिंग झुमका वर्ड ऑल्सो। ओके, सो देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स। एनीवे, जो प्लेजरिज्म के इशू में आपको थोड़ा मास्टर स्टूडेंट्स को एक बैकग्राउंड दे दूं। आजकल एक बहुत बड़े इशू हो चुका है। सपोज आगे आगे चल के आप PhD करें, लेक्चरशिप बने, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सीरियस इशू चोरी, पीपल हैव लॉस्ट देयर जॉब। 2 साल पहले यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग हिज नेम, तो ही वाज ऑलमोस्ट अरेस्टेड समहाउ, सेव्ड, और बहुत सारी प्लेजरिज्म इशू। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली प्लेजरिज्म केस एकेडमिक्स दुनिया में नहीं आया। मेरे जो सर्वे हो रहा है, इट इज मोस्टली विद द बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स। एवरीबडी प्लेजराइजेस, बट धीरे लास्ट 10 years or so, some kind of awareness, maybe by UGC, maybe the higher education agencies, maybe MDU, just like we are having a workshop here. So some kind of awareness is that you contribute, and you contribute your own. Not copy and paste someone's else. So there are, don't, sometimes we blame the students always. Some of my teachers' friends are here, I'm telling you. Don't blame the students always, because what is the problem? Problem is that the plagiarism problem begins with language and it ends with language. It is a language problem. Look at the background of the many Indian students, those are studying PhD in Indian university. Take an example this. When I ask my PhD students why you are late and why you are absent for 5 days, why to take leave, वो बताता है मैं सारे गेहूं काटने के लिए जाऊंगा मेरे पापा के साथ। Most cases rural background. Most cases even the parents are not even graduate, not even matriculate. Their language they don't even, throughout they speak Haryanvi, Hindi even speaking. Complete a sentence, many of us will fail to do that. And you are expecting American English from us. Suddenly we are doing, am I right? सही कह रहे हो सर? So, and you are expecting good English, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया. So in that case, so the responsibility, to some extent our responsibility of our teacher fraternity is that let us groom them. कुछ दिन उनको बच्चों को सिखाओ. And secondly, in India, the problem is with the language, so start writing. हिंदी में एक कहावत है, that is, एक मील भी एक कदम से शुरू होती है. So let us write, maybe a paragraph. Today you are writing a paragraph, maybe tomorrow you will write, maybe it may take 1 year to complete writing 1 page. So secondly, don't compare with your friends. Sometimes it so happens, साथ साथ बैठते हैं, but you should realize, my friend's dad is a professor and mother is a professor, dad is a professor, and she or he knows better English and better writing. I don't know. I started my English at the age of maybe in class 6 or class 7, class 8. So it takes time to complete, in that form to publish. So patience is also very much required to doing things like suppose you miss a bus in Delhi, Delhi bypass to go to Delhi, so you may have a chance to go by next buses. जरूर नहीं जी उसने लिख दिया तो I must write. This is a false competition among the Indian, the students we used to have. Somehow we got a job and probably literally little bit we are settled. Probably you are not having a job and trying to write papers, increasing API, publishing in care list. This is one socio-cultural background. Come to the technical aspect of writing, plagiarism, technical aspect of plagiarism. While writing, through writings, we empowered ourselves. We show our power through writings. I'm telling you, जो इम्पैक्ट वाली बातें हो रही है, जैसे हमारे सुनने में आया, बहुत अच्छी बात है, हमारे जो बायो ग्रुप की जो जितने डिसिप्लिन से, विजय साहब सही कह रहा हूँ, इनके हाई इम्पैक्ट है, इंडिया में बड़े नाम हो रहा है. हमारे जो बायो साइंस जितने डिसिप्लिन से, 8-10 डिसिप्लिन से, बहुत अच्छी बात है. While writing, through writing, I show my power to the world. This is what it happens. The more you write, the more powerful you are. Suppose I write a book, my book reaches every corner of India. People read and so much powerful, I feel myself. So that way, write carefully. While writing, sometimes we put an idea. Sometimes the idea is so generalized. And sometimes the idea is very, very personalized. Look at here. Suppose you want to